because I accidentally pressed support.
Oh.
Right, I want to see this ironclad.
It's a pirate ship.
No, it's called an ironclad.
For me, if I press support, it
But
doesn't
I've
actually
already
end the
placed it.
broadcast.
It's a pirate ship.
No, it's called an ironclad.
But it is a pirate ship.
No, it's called an ironclad.
God save me. And you're meant to
Yeah, but
1v1
it is
the
an
ironclad.
Yeah, it is a
Yeah.
ironclad, but is it a pirate ship or is it an ironclad pirate ship? Or is it both?
Yeah, you're meant to 1v1 on it. With explosives.
No, I wanna hold that. I wanna hold the flipping. I haven't held the pumpkin launchers yet. Oh my god. Oh. I need a pumpkin launcher.
They don't feel as in my opinion, they don't feel as good as the original one from last Halloween.
They're exactly the same. It's different.
They just don't feel as like doesn't feel the same.
Right. Explosive 1v1s on the ironclad. Wait, are we allowed to use
I
grapplers?
really do miss the old Fortnite.
We use grapplers.
Yeah, you're not grabs. There's only two
They should
ships,
do
not
like
the
a
other
day
ones.
where they just make Fortnite. They must like just maybe next birthday they just bring it back. Like the next Fortnite birthday and they have their second birthday. They could do like they just bring it back right to the beginning.
Yes, there we
change
are.
just do like a change right for 1 week or something.
Okay,
just
explosive battles on
changing
the ironclad.
everything
Everyone's
back
a
to what it
default.
was when it first started.
Everyone's a default. Everyone lost
Everyone's
their skins.
default, no skins.
Oh my
Everyone-
god. Wow. I just aimed
But
this
there's a
on you
game
and it
mode
stopped me
where
from
everything's
flipping
just OG. It's called the OG game mode or something, and you just play it, and then you can it would have all the original guns, and it would take a lot of work on their behalf, but I don't
No,
care.
it wouldn't.
Okay.
Because they've
3,
already made
2,
it.
1, go.
Wait, what?
Because they'd have to remake a load of things. Because they probably because they've overwritten a load of things, and they've deleted like Zapatron and everything. So, and Zapatron was a thing
Why were
right
you
at the
so
beginning.
low?
Because you shot me.
Oh yeah, I sniped you, did.
Why
Why are
I'm in
you
what the hell?
Can you guys,
What just happened?
know what you're meant to do
Like,
in
the
the
vending machines
Hexavania
are in the
mission,
ground.
like the Halloween mission?
Underneath tilted. I'm underneath tilted. I'm underneath tilted, Hayden.
Well, you're
Check
under
it
the
out.
ground.
Yeah, I'm under the ground. And I died trying to get up. What the hell? I was underneath
Well, you got
tilted.
under the map.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Wait, I'm
You
still
can do it,
here.
you can literally-
Oh my
Can you
god.
shoot me? Are you able to shoot me?
I need
Where are
to see
you?
this in the video.
No. I'm next to the vending machines.
Wait, what? Why won't I be able
Are
to
you
see
able
this
to
in the
pick
video?
Don't say anything.
You will. What vending machines? Wait,
There's
which ones?
I'm in the ground, Hayden.
Shoot up.
Oh yeah, I've seen videos about that. I've seen a video about
Can
that
you see that?
using the vending machines.
Oh my god.
I've
grab,
actually watched
grab.
it, but I saw a thumbnail for it.
I killed myself. So this is gonna be the thumbnail.
I just got a grey pump out of a chest.
Can you see this, Hayden? Yo, go where you were.
He spawned underneath it. Damn it, I didn't
Hayden.
spawn underneath it.
Ha ha ha. Don't get metal though.
I got a grey pump.
Come on. Come.
Ow!
Do you know if you can pick up weapons through the ground?
I checked
Press
out early.
respawn. Just go on to
No,
respawn.
no. Go back where you were now. Okay, press respawn.
Coming.
See if it works.
Coming, daddy.
And I'm still here.
Oh no!
What? Warning, I will lose progress made in this zone.
Did you see
I
that?
haven't got that.
I want to
Did you
keep all
see
my
that?
really good loot I've got from this.
Can you see the pumpkin launchers shooting out?
Finally, I got in the right place.
Hayden, can you see the pumpkin
I
launchers
see.
shooting up?
I just randomly went in this basement
Whoa, okay, they disappeared then. Oh my god.
No, they haven't disappeared.
I keep dying whenever I try to get out. Oh yay! I'm here.
Oh, I
Fine.
destroyed the thing, didn't I?
What?
Oh,
That
damn.
was flipping weird, family. Wait, that was only 5 minutes.
I want to do the glitch now.
Whoa, tough luck.
I'm the OG.
I'm doing you a favor.
Outlander.
Trying to get you into the glitch.
No, I know how to do it.
You think of the glitch?
I know how to
Okay.
do it.
Oh no.
You just
wait.
need
No,
an
you don't.
ironclad.
Where did the ironclad go?
I destroyed it.
How do you
And that
just
saved you.
How do you?
I've already looked everywhere around this place.
Right.
And now it's telling me
Right.
to
That's
look around.
I'm
I've
gonna
already looted
outro the
everything.
video because I like my videos nice and short.
Like you did. What?
What did you didn't say anything? No, this is a family-friendly PG channel. Hayden.
I said like you're weird.
Shut up.